Pulls up, three-pointer. Bang! Bang! It's good! Wins the game at the buzzer!
Hey, this is Paulson. Welcome to the WeekLEE News.
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 Hey everyone, and welcome to WeekLEE News.
Welcome to the WeekLEE News.
Welcome to WeekLEE News.
Is it? Hello? Testing? Yeah. Welcome to the WeekLEE News.
Hi, my name is Yone.
And my name is Vanessa, and welcome to the WeekLEE News.
Today is Wednesday, October 18th.
This is episode 7.
And here are a few quick announcements before we get into our first news segment. There is going to be a volleyball game at Oliver Middle School at 5 p.m. and there are only 2 weeks left of volleyball season, so come out and support our team.
This week we've been doing grade level assemblies to celebrate Student of the Month. Be sure to congratulate all of the winners. And now for our first segment, National Principals Month.
Why do you decide to work in a school?
I decided to work in schools when I was in high school. I taught swim lessons and I enjoyed working with kids. My dad had also been a teacher. My mom was an educational assistant, so I had family that was in education. And between that and teaching swim lessons to students and enjoying that, I decided to go into education and become a teacher.
Where did you work before WeekLEE?
So I've worked my entire career in Reynolds School District. I've worked at Hartley Elementary School. I've worked at Woodland Elementary School. I've worked at both Walt Morey and now at WeekLEE, and I've also worked at the district office level.
Why do you want to be a principal?
I wanted to be a principal because I enjoy working closely with staff and students, and enjoy the pieces of organization that it takes to operate and run a school.
What could you do if you couldn't be a principal?
I enjoy education and working with kids so much that if I wasn't in administration, I would be a classroom teacher.
That's all I have for you.
Thanks to Mr. Reynolds.
Next up is winter sports, where we will hear about basketball and wrestling.
Winter sports at WeekLEE Middle School include both basketball and wrestling this year.
Winter sports are split into 2 seasons. Season 1 is boys basketball from November to January. Season 2 is girls basketball and co-ed wrestling from January to March. Co-ed means with both boys and girls.
Sign-up packets for Season 1 are due November 3rd. Sign up before it's too late.
That was very interesting. Are you going to participate in winter sports, Vanessa?
No, thank you. Well, anyways, next segment is Hawks explaining yearbooks.
Have you ever heard about yearbooks? If not, we've come to the right place. For example, a yearbook includes student pictures or school memories throughout the year. Here are some school previous yearbooks. These hold school memories and photos that you could submit throughout the year. You can pre-order yearbooks now at hbleehawks.com.
Are you going to buy a yearbook, Vanessa?
Maybe. Leading on to our next segment, mystery staff member.
I'm going to say Mr. Matt, because his staff members.
Mr. Holland.
Mr. Scott.
Guess is Jay Anderson.
I think this is Mr. Paulson.
Nope.
Mr. Scott.
And what are 3 interesting facts about yourself?
I believe in Jesus Christ. I walked 3 blocks with Mike Tyson. And I was a high school All-American.
Who would have known? Wait. Who would have known?
I don't know, but now it's time for the poll of the week.
We're here today with
Canberra.
what's your favorite shoe brand?
Nike.
Thank you. We're here today with
Zynacia.
Nevaeh.
what's y'all's favorite shoe brand?
I love to have my toes out, yeah.
Nike.
Alright, thank you.
Hi, we're here with Mars. What's your favorite shoe brand?
Nike.
Thank you. Hi, we're here with
Lydia.
What's your favorite shoe brand?
I like Nikes.
Thank you. I'm Nima. Hi, we're here with.
I'm Elijah.
What's your favorite shoe brand?
Nike.
Thank you. Hi, we're here with.
Taekwon,
What's your favorite shoe brand?
Jordans,
Thank you. Hi, we're here with.
MJ,
What's your favorite shoe brand?
Nike.
Thank you. Hi, we're here with Ferris. What's your favorite shoe brand? Nike. Thank you. Hi, we're here with
Matt.
What's your favorite shoe brand?
Nike.
Thank you.
What's your favorite shoe brand?
I don't know. I can't choose. I have a lot.
Who am I here with? Haley. Who do you want to shout out?
Alexis, Addie, Shani, Gianni, Anissa, and what's it called? Mr. Beeson, and Banana, and Ziona, and Marco, and Misael.
Is that all?
Yes.
Okay. Who am I here with?
Jacob.
Who do you want to shout out?
I want to shout out all my friends over there on the table, including Erica. She's right there. And Bella, Remy, and everybody right there. Yeah.
Okay, is that it?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Who am I here with?
Erica.
Who do you want to shout out?
I want to shout out my best friend, Peyton, Sophia, Carla, all of those folks right there, and Peyton right there. But yeah.
Thank you. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Miss Claudia.
Who would you like to shout out?
I'd like to shout out the school administrative team for working so hard, our school counselors, and all our classroom teachers and classified staff. They're all doing a wonderful job.
Thank you very much.
I'd like to shout out Melanie, Mr. Schaffler,
Me.
Jasmine, Wilmer, Giovanni, Felipe, and I don't know. Who am I here with?
Ranyak.
Who do I?
I shout out with Ellie, Kayla, and Melly, and Jesus, and Yusuf.
Thank you. And who would you like to give a shout out to?
Jasmine, Melanie, and Charlene, Marco, and yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Lisa.
And who would you like to give a shout out to?
Haley, Addie, Jabria,
Bro, give me the phone.
Vanessa.
Hey, I'm Mr. Holland.
And who would you like to give a shout out to?
I want to shout out to all the teachers who I get to share a classroom with this year. I appreciate your flexibility. Being on a cart isn't always easy, but y'all have been very welcoming into your spaces. So thank you so much for your acceptance and flexibility. And I hope I'm not too loud and disruptive during your prep times. So thanks again.
Okay, thank you. Who do you want to give a shout out to?
To my advisory class and to Mr. Schaffler and Mr. Firm for being great partners.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
You should shout out your friends or staff next time.
Maybe next time, but thank you guys for watching the weekly news.
Bye.
But I'm super shy, super shy. And I wanna go out with you. Where you wanna go? Find a little spot, just sit on top, looking pretty. Follow me. 우리 둘이 나란히 보이지? 내 눈이 갑자기 빛나지? When you say I'm a dream. You don't even know my name, you don't.
Are you going to buy your Are you going to buy Are you going to buy a yearbook next year? Subscribe to our